What's up guys, my name is Connor and today I have a special review for you guys on the full yellow gold Rolex Submariner with the blue dial and blue ceramic bezel. I'm going to be breaking down all the details of this watch as well as trying it on, so if you guys do enjoy the video, make sure to like, subscribe button as it really helps me and my channel out. And with that said, let's get right into the video. So just before I begin unboxing, I want to let you guys know that this model comes in two different metals. This one comes in a two-tone, which is going to be yellow gold and stainless steel. And the model that we have right here today is going to be the full 18 karat yellow gold model. The retail cost is currently $37,950 USD, and the current market value is somewhere around $45,000 to $50,000. So taking a quick look at the face of this watch, we're gonna have the ceramic blue bezel right here. It's gonna have the 60-minute markers on it, and it's gonna be unirotational, so you can only turn it clockwise. The sapphire crystal is going to be protecting the blue dial, which is going to have luminescent hands and markers, and on that sapphire crystal, we're going to have a magnified Cyclops lens. And then turning this watch to the side, we're gonna have the trip lock waterproof system right here, making this watch waterproof for 100 meters or 330 feet. When it comes down to changing the time of the watch, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to rotate the crown right here. That's gonna allow you to wind the watch, pull it out one more time, and that's gonna allow you to change the date. One more time, and that's gonna allow you to change the hours, and then the last time is going to be the minutes. Now this watch right here is going to have a 70-hour power reserve, meaning that it takes 70 hours since you last wore this watch for it to stop tracking the time. And then turning this watch to the bracelet, we're going to have the Oyster bracelet with the flat 3-piece links right here. The middle link is obviously going to be more reflective than the outer ones, and that's going to bring us to the Oyster clasp right here. It's going to have the double lock, meaning that it's going to have the clasp right here, which you're going to have to unlock, and also on the inside right here. So if you accidentally move your wrist and you unlock the outer part, that's not going to fully take the watch off your wrist because it has the protection on the inside clasp as well. We're going to be able to take a look at the comfort extension, and that's going to allow you to adjust this watch by 5 millimeters. So instead of taking off a link, if your wrist is expanding because it's hot outside or it tightens a little bit because it's cold outside, you're able to change the size of this watch by 5 millimeters on the go. So who is this watch for? Many Rolex enthusiasts would agree that the Rolex Submariner is the most recognizable model ever produced by Rolex. Obviously the black is going to be a bit more classic, and I'm talking about the one on the stainless steel, but if your budget is a little bit higher and you prefer a more standout bezel of the blue color, then this may be the watch for you. Obviously the price tag is going to be a little bit more expensive, and it's going to be a lot more standout than the stainless steel models, but if you want something that is just a step above but still has the Submariner look to it, this watch could be the watch for you. So with that said, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button as it really helps my channel and gets my videos shown to more people. If you guys like this watch or any of the other watches that I'm reviewing on my channel, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook at Connor.Langley or just Connor Langley on Facebook, and let's get that watch that you're looking for on your wrist. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.